we're doing hair coloring. I don't even know how this is gonna end up, but we're just gonna YOLO it. My best friend is here. She's gonna color my hair. That's my best friend. Alright, best friend. So this is the before. This. This is how it's looking.
Do it. All of it.
Maple syrup. Oh god. This looks... Yeah. Oh no, that looks pink.
No, it's not even
On the camera it looks pink.
done yet.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Here it is.
And now we start. Oh no, I'm scared. You got this. I trust you with my life. And it starts.
Crying, oh she's so bright, I can't believe my eyes. Oh she's so bright, I can't believe my eyes. Oh I'm in paradise, show me heartbreak 1,000 times. I don't care to be caught without sweet misery by my side. Wide awake and paid within way too.
What is currently happening with my hair? I need some time to adjust here. Our hairs. Yep, you guessed it. Orange. So, gonna plop you there. Let's just do this. I will show you when I come back. I just showered. Ready? We're gonna get out of frame first. Is it really? Is it bad?
It's so orange.
Is it how it works?
Maybe if you dry it, do you have a blow dryer?
Oh! Hella orange.
Dude, yes. Look at this.
Been finding my own, she said. I don't need you inside my head. Should be finding a room. Should be finding a room. I've been finding my own, she said. All my love's wrapped in ginger red. Should be finding a room. Should be finding a room.
Outro. So here's my outro. Here's my hair. Now that it's dry, it's the second day. Yeah, my hair's orange, guys. I really like it. It's different coming from pink hair and now orange. But I wanted to record the process for you guys because it's just, I love watching hair tutorial videos. And it took me a very, very long time to find the perfect tutorial. I will link the person who I watched. I will probably link it here. But yeah, my hair is orange. I want to thank you guys for watching. My hair's orange. Alright, see you guys. Bye.
Tell me what you want.